is a critical region for biopharma, and we are committed to expanding our presence in the geography. We established the Avantor Shanghai Innovation Center in December of 2019 to enable more efficient collaboration with our customers. The Innovation Center, along with our recent manufacturing expansions in the region, support local biopharma customers in accelerating the development of life-changing treatments. Our team of experts work closely with our customers to create innovative, safe, and effective products and solutions used in the production of biologics drugs. Avantor's mission, critical process chemicals, excipients, chromatography resins, and single-use products are used across all existing and emerging biopharmaceutical platforms, including monoclonal antibodies, cell and gene therapy, and mRNA. At the Shanghai Innovation Center, we focus on downstream process optimization, essentially helping customers optimize their manufacturing process to enhance yield, improve purity, and decrease processing time. We are in active collaboration with around 100 customers on downstream optimization and have successfully launched several proprietary products to augment our portfolio, including our Protein A resin, ProAchieve A, our high-quality products, collaborative approach, and customer access through our Innovation Center enable us to create customer solutions that are specified into our customers' biopharmaceuticals platforms. We are excited about the results we have been able to deliver in our EMEA biopharma customers and look forward to growing our footprint in the region. As the world of life science and biopharma expands, we will continue to invest in our capabilities to set science in motion to create a better world.